everyone, welcome here. Today I'm showing you how I came up with this super inexpensive fall tier tray and decor. I know it's still early for fall decor, but I thought this video could give you some ideas and inspiration for when fall gets here. The Dollar Tree has their fall items out, so I wanted to snatch some up before they were all gone. I plan on putting this tray away until September, but I wanted to go ahead and play with what colors I wanted to use this fall. If you would like to see how I came up with this display, then please continue to watch. So to start with, I decided to make two adorable signs. I started by printing off two Ray Dunn printables with the quotes, "Grateful, Thankful, Blessed," and "Hey There, Pumpkin." For this, you will just need two Dollar Tree canvases, some Mod Podge and a sponge brush, and Jenga tower blocks from the Dollar Tree. I went ahead and cut the printed quotes to fit to size over the canvases.
No mistake ever kept me late. We spent summers catching fireflies and winters on our skates.
Once they are cut, add the slightest amount of Mod Podge to the edges of the sign. I messed up on my first try because I put the glue all over and then it bubbled up really bad and didn't look good at all. Putting it only on the sides makes it only bubble up on the sides, which will later be covered by blocks.
Take me back, all the way back to them days, running around in a gown and a crown, barefoot.
As you can see here, the glue made the paper bubble up. I just repeated the same process for the other quote.
Daydreamer, kidnap me, take me back, all the way back to them days. Daydreamer, kidnap.
Next, I arranged the blocks to fit around the canvas. For both canvases, I used two sides with 3 blocks and the other 2 sides with 2 blocks. They fit so nicely, so I didn't have to worry about cutting the blocks at all.
Have me running around, dressed in a gown, barefoot.
I went ahead and hot glued all the blocks down and came up with these adorable signs. You could always paint or stain the blocks, but I wanted to leave them this natural wood color. It goes really well with my color theme. Next, I took these 6 Dollar Tree pumpkins and decided what colors I wanted to paint them. I decided to use a peach for 2 of them, a sage for 1, a moss color for 2, and a matte white for another. I just love these colors together. These are the colors I'm planning to stick with this coming fall.
Wherever all my wishes may be heading, a part of us will never leave. Oh, wherever.
So I was looking up at the camera when I was pouring this paint and spilled way too much, as you can see here. Whoops.
Tonight I know you will be coming home. Ooh,
I ended up using around 3 coats of paint for each pumpkin to cover them nicely.
For every spoken word I wish for silence, for every storm I long for peace, for every step I'm taking.
Once the pumpkins were nice and dry, I decided to add some Dollar Tree twine to the stem by wrapping it around and securing it with some hot glue.
To get to you, to get to you, to get to you.
some dollar lamb's ear and plucked off a couple leaves to add a little greenery to the pumpkins. Next, I decided to take this pumpkin soy candle and change the label to a Ray Dunn inspired one. I printed off this pumpkin spice printable and cut it out to fit.
I'll never be alone.
I painted the existing red label with white paint. I also took the slightest amount of Mod Podge to the cutout and I placed it right onto the wet paint. Then I cut out some twine to go around the edges to hide the messed up edges.
Remedy, lay your hands upon me, all of me. Say you will forever come to me.
Then I finished up with a bow on top. I made this tiered tray here for only $3 using Dollar Tree candlesticks and Dollar Tree burner covers. I have a video showing you how I made this in my summer tiered tray video that I will link in the description. This lamb's ear comes in packs of 2 at Walmart for only $2. So separately they are only $1, which you can't beat that. I love the soft and muted look of them and they work so well with my pumpkin colors.
When you fall, carry on.
Of course I had to add in some Ray Dunn.
Lay your hands upon me, all of me. Say you will forever come to me.
So that is all for my dollar fall decor. This cost me $10 to put together and I love it so much. I hope this video gave you some inspiration and some ideas. Definitely stick around for lots of fall decor videos from me in the future. Thanks so much for watching and have a blessed day.